Drone enthusiasts worldwide are buzzing with anticipation for DJI's next big release in the FPV drone category, the Avata 3. As DJI continues to refine its FPV technology, the Avata 3 is expected to push the boundaries of performance, camera capabilities, and flight efficiency. With its predecessor, the Avata 2, already a major success, the next iteration is likely to introduce significant advancements that could redefine what's possible in the FPV space. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for immersive flight experiences or a professional seeking high-quality aerial footage, the Avata 3 could be a game-changer. DJI has long been a leader in the drone industry, consistently raising the bar with each new release. The Avata series, known for blending FPV agility with impressive stabilization and camera quality, has gained a loyal following. While DJI has yet to make an official announcement, industry speculation suggests that the Avata 3 could arrive sometime between mid to late 2025. Given DJI's pattern of releasing new models every 1 to 2 years, this timeline seems plausible. Enthusiasts are eagerly watching for leaks and updates, hoping for a model that enhances every aspect of the FPV experience. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the Avata 3 is in the camera department. The Avata 2's 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor already delivers outstanding 4K 60 FPS HDR footage, but rumors suggest that DJI might introduce a larger 1-inch sensor in the upcoming model. This would significantly improve image quality by capturing more light, offering better dynamic range, and enhancing low-light performance. For professionals, this means richer colors, sharper details, and more flexibility when shooting in varying lighting conditions. Additionally, the potential inclusion of RAW video support could provide greater control in post-production, allowing for more precise color grading and exposure adjustments. These enhancements would elevate the Avata 3 from a high-quality FPV drone to a powerful tool for cinematic aerial storytelling. Stabilization is another area where the Avata 3 could make a leap forward. The previous models rely heavily on electronic image stabilization, EIS. But speculation is growing that DJI may introduce a hybrid stabilization system that includes a small mechanical gimbal. A combination of mechanical and electronic stabilization could revolutionize FPV videography, offering ultra-smooth footage even during high-speed maneuvers. If DJI manages to integrate this feature while maintaining the lightweight, agile design that FPV pilots love, the Avata 3 could become one of the most stable FPV drones ever produced. Battery life is a crucial factor for drone pilots, and many are hoping that DJI will extend flight time in the Avata 3. The Avata 2 offers approximately 23 minutes of flight per charge, which is decent for an FPV drone, but still leaves pilots wanting more. Improvements in battery efficiency, aerodynamics, and motor performance could push this to 30 minutes or more, reducing the need for frequent battery swaps and allowing for longer, uninterrupted flights. For filmmakers capturing complex shots or racers who need extended practice sessions, this would be a highly welcome improvement. Another major area for potential enhancement is obstacle avoidance. FPV drones, by nature, require precise control and quick reflexes, especially when navigating through tight spaces. While the Avata 2 has limited obstacle detection, the Avata 3 might introduce an omnidirectional sensor system, providing 360-degree awareness. This would make flights safer, reducing the risk of crashes and making FPV flying more accessible to beginners. Experienced pilots would also benefit from greater confidence when executing complex maneuvers in challenging environments. Transmission technology is another aspect where DJI might introduce improvements. The Avata 2 utilizes the O3+ transmission system, which offers a reliable, low-latency connection with a strong signal. However, rumors suggest that DJI could debut an O4 system with the Avata 3, potentially offering extended range, higher resolution, and even lower latency. This would be especially beneficial for long-range flights and professional applications, where maintaining a stable, high-quality feed is essential. Flight performance is always a priority in FPV drones, and DJI is expected to refine this further with the Avata 3. Enhanced motors, improved aerodynamics, and better responsiveness could make this drone even more agile and precise. Whether for freestyle flying, racing, or cinematic capturing, an upgraded propulsion system could allow for sharper turns, faster speeds, and a smoother overall experience. These enhancements would appeal to both thrill-seeking FPV pilots and professionals looking for ultra-precise control over their aerial shots. Accessibility and ease of use are also key considerations. DJI has worked to make FPV flying more user-friendly, and the Avata 3 is likely to continue that trend. Possible updates include refined flight modes, improved controller ergonomics, and smarter automation features such as AI-powered subject tracking and auto flight paths. Additionally, updates to accessories like the DJI RC Motion 3 controller and DJI Goggles 3 could enhance comfort and usability, making FPV flying more intuitive for users at all skill levels. As excitement builds for the Avata 3, many are also evaluating whether the Avata 2 remains a worthwhile purchase. Currently priced at $1,199, the Avata 2 still offers impressive features, including a high-quality CMOS sensor, 4K HDR video, and a durable design with built-in propeller guards. Its compatibility with the DJI Goggles 3 and motion controller makes it a solid choice for those looking to enter the FPV space. If you need an FPV drone now, the Avata 2 remains a reliable option, but those willing to wait might be rewarded with cutting-edge advancements in the Avata 3. Beyond just hardware and performance improvements, DJI might also introduce software enhancements to improve the overall user experience. New firmware updates could bring intelligent flight modes, allowing pilots to execute complex maneuvers with minimal effort. Features like automated waypoints, cinematic tracking, and even AI-assisted navigation could make the Avata 3 a truly intelligent FPV drone. These software improvements, combined with potential hardware upgrades, could position the Avata 3 as the ultimate FPV drone for both casual and professional users. With all the expected enhancements, the Avata 3 has the potential to revolutionize FPV flying. Whether you're a drone racer, content creator, or someone who simply loves the thrill of immersive flight, this model could offer an unprecedented level of performance. DJI's continuous innovation has set high standards in the industry, and the Avata 3 is likely to uphold this tradition. As we await official announcements, one thing is clear. This upcoming release is shaping up to be one of the most significant FPV drone launches in recent years. The DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting FPV drone releases in recent years. With anticipated improvements in camera quality, stabilization, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and transmission technology, it has the potential to set a new standard in the FPV world. While official details are still scarce, the rumored upgrades suggest that this drone will appeal to both hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're an adrenaline-seeking pilot or a filmmaker looking for the ultimate aerial tool, the Avata 3 is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Stay tuned for more updates as DJI prepares to unveil what could be its most advanced FPV drone yet.